Good day mga kakampo! And for today's video, samahan nyo kami sa isang fine dining experience dito sa Rico's Cafe at Nena's Sanctuary. Let's go! And kung bago kayo dito sa aming channel, please like, share, and subscribe para mas updated kayo sa mga susunod naming mga lakad. Rico's Cafe is located inside the Santa Elena Golf and Country Estate in Santa Rosa, Laguna. To get here, you can actually take the South Luzon Expressway Cabuyao exit and turn right at the Santa Elena Drive. If you're coming from Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, just take the path to Mesaland Drive and ask for the guards for directions. That road is very close to the Nuvali area. And since this cafe is still on soft opening as of January 2025, it is very important that you make an early reservation. Also, I'll be leaving the contact details on the description box for your reference. What you are seeing right now is Nena's Sanctuary. This is Santa Elena's events place inside their golf estate. There is an ongoing wedding, so we are unable to visit or to walk around the events place. So right now we're walking straight to the back door area of Rico's Cafe, where there is an alfresco setup. This is actually an area that opens to a magnificent view of their golf lake. Akyat naman tayo dito sa roof deck. Ayan, medyo nauubusan ako ng English, no? So, dito merong open space ulit, which actually has a 360-degree view of the whole surroundings. So, meron ditong parang kitchen or pantry na hindi pa nagagamit. So, I think pwede rin nila itong gamitin for their own private events. Napaka-refreshing ng view dito sa Rico's Cafe. Napapaligiran kasi ito ng mga puno at dito sa taas may magandang vantage point. Magandang magmarites doon sa kabilang events. Joke lang. So, respect their privacy. And just enjoy the whole place. Pwede kayo mag-picture-picture dyan ng kadate mo or ng family mo. Or you can just bask into the heat of the sun, especially ngayong parating ng summer. Alright, so balik naman tayo dito sa baba. Again, we are at the back section ng cafe and we will be walking further outside dito sa kanilang surrounding area. And by the way, hindi na ako nakapag-video dyan sa loob ng toilet, pero ang luwag niyan, asaka ang linis, parang hotel, napaka-posh and luxurious ang dating. At dito naman meron silang patio or walkway that actually leads to some sort of a platform na nakaharap sa golf pond. Hindi ko maintindihan, no? Parang summer ka, bumalik yung summer agad ng January nung nagpunta kami dito. Mainit siya. But I think late in the afternoon, it's a very ideal spot to just breathe in the fresh air and reminisce and appreciate the surrounding area. Diretso na tayo doon sa platform na malapit sa or nasa tabi mismo ng golf pond. Ito yung talagang ideal na place, no, sa mga may ka-date ngayong Valentine's. And kung wala ka namang ka-date, sama nyo yung pamilya nyo or yung barkada nyo, i-appreciate nyo yung lugar, mag-distress, mag-relax. Napakasarap lang talagang isipin na meron pa palang mga ganitong tagong lugar outside of Metro Manila. And since this is actually a private location nga, kailangan talaga magpa-reserve. We have to understand that, and there might be some instances na pwedeng i-limit nila yung guests just to preserve the serenity of the place. Back to our regular programming. Pasok na tayo dito sa main entrance ng Rico's Cafe. And dyan sa main door, makikita nyo na please bear with them. Talagang soft opening pa lang sila, bago pa lang sila. And nandito rin yung kanilang hours and schedule of operations. Mondays, sarado pala sila, no? And may extended hours ng weekend. That's Friday to Sunday. So, andyan yung mga kasama namin. Nag-aantay na ng orders. And ito yung interior. And as you noticed, medyo limited nga yung seats nila and yung tables. Kaya medyo I think ngayon marami talagang nagtatry na magpa-reserve and mag-book. Tip ko lang, talagang agahan nyo like mga weeks or months ahead para makasecure ng slot. And merong pagka-intimate yung dining experience dito kasi nga maliit lang yung interior. So hopefully maganda yung bonding nyo ng mga kasama nyo sa mesa, no? Hindi siya yung sobrang ingay kasi sobrang lawak ng place. As usual, just pause this portion para i-analyze nyo yung pricing sa kanilang menu. Coming up next, about the food. Disclaimer lang hindi kami food experts, no? So, sinishare namin dito yung actual experience lang namin as a customer. Ano to, be?
Sinuglaw.
Primera. Ito yung kape. Ito yung chicken.
Chicken at pony. Pony pa naman.
May sinigang gravy. Tama. Ito yung beef kulma. So, actually, kumain na rin kami bago kami pumunta dito. So, early dinner to, mga around 4 o'clock. And normally, yung serving size nila is good for 2 persons. Yung pang-pamilya nila, you have to order it in advance, like before kayo pumunta para ma-prepare nila ng maayos. Surprisingly, malaki yung serving, sana busog kami. And ang ganda din ng plating.
Picture mo yan.
Wait, the flowers edible.
Ito edible. Nice.
May parang na rin siya. Ganda.
Very patient din ang kanilang waiters to explain about the food.
Ikuha kayo, B. Nagtayong
By the way,
dalawa.
our ice cream is made. So, yung base, pinaka-base yung base goat's milk.
Goat's milk. So ayan, for the dessert, meron tayong sikwate or chocolate ice cream saka yung pili brittle ice cream. May flowers. Matamis yung flowers. Matamis yung flowers.
Pait?
Hindi, tamis. Sakto lang yung lasa ng braso. Ito yung sikwate chocolate. Ito masarap. Sarap. Try natin yung pili ice cream. Pili ice cream. Ang sarap nito, parang Reese. Parang Reese na peanut butter. No? Ito naman, parang Hershey, parang imported. So, yung lasang Hershey, of course, yung sikwate ice cream. Yung lasang Reese's naman is yung peanut brittle ice cream. And I think inaabangan nyo din yung bill, no? So, ito yung total bill namin for 4 persons. So, ayan, nakita nyo na, no? For me, sulit na yung pricing na yun. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. Kasi nga, medyo exclusive yung lugar. Kasi you need to reserve in advance. And parang may nakita nga ako ng mga feedback na sa page nila na medyo mahirap na nga ngayon magpabook. So, I suggest, kung gusto nyo talaga dito, make sure na your booking is weeks ahead or months ahead siguro as of now. Plus, napaka-pleasing ng kanilang mga crew. Very attentive, smiling. Malayo pa lang sinalubong na kami ng payong papunta dun sa kanilang restaurant. And napakaganda talaga ng ambience, relaxing. Ang medyo downside lang for me is yung noise doon sa kabila sa Nena Sanctuary. Maririnig mo talaga doon sa restaurant, sa kanilang cafe. So, kung gusto nyo talaga na masulit yung nature, yung sounds of nature lang yung naririnig nyo, make sure na i-check nyo yung reservation date nyo na walang kasabay na events doon sa katabing Nena Sanctuary.